Hi, I'm Urban Girl and welcome to my channel. No shelter video this week, guys, because I decided just to come out for a bike ride and I didn't want the thought of, taking all my gear and filming a video and making a shelter and all that to stop me from coming out, because I'd really just felt like coming for a bike ride. So I've come probably about, I don't know, maybe about 6 or 8 miles from the house along the canal. So yeah, it's so far a really nice ride. I'm at an actual kind of turning point now, and I'm going to go over to one of the retail parks over there because I need some screws. But anyway, just a quick one. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm just an urban girl out having a bit of fun. Bye.